Hey, welcome back to WeatherBug on this Thursday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast and our next Pacific storm moving through. Some scattered rain showers along the west coast, coastal communities, and some high elevation snow. A lot of the skiers and snowboarders happy about that. Now, highs yesterday, a little bit cooler in the northeast, but take a look at this fairly mild air stretching as far north as the Twin Cities. 43 degrees is pretty close to 10 or 15 degrees above average. Have a little boundary that is taking south of the international border today, allowing some of that slightly cooler air to settle on in. But that core of the cold that was back into interior Alaska about this time last week has moved on into the Arctic and out near the Hudson Bay area. So what we need is a low pressure system near the Great Lakes region and the Hudson Bay area to help dump that cold air down, which instead of that, we're going to have a storm system moving up from the south and west and allowing this mild air to stream up in that area. Yesterday, 15 degrees above average in the Twin Cities. Today in St. Louis will be 15 degrees above average, so pretty mild and very wet week thus far from the lower Mississippi Valley to the southeast, and rainfall tallies over a 48-hour period from West Palm Beach to Jacksonville, anywhere from about ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch or more, and an inch out near Hatteras in the Outer Banks. Not quite as much in the northeast, and seeing some of that precipitation across the far north in the form of snowfall. Actually, a bit of that snowfall heading into Duluth and along Highway 2 into northern Wisconsin. But here's our next storm system again. That big low pressure system is bringing in rain from San Francisco down to Los Angeles, and there it is on a water vapor imagery. You can almost see that big counterclockwise circulation in motion. And 5-day precipitation tallies down this way, not quite as much as what we expected in the north. Several impulses of energy still expected to slide into northern California, western Oregon and Washington, even British Columbia, and several inches of precipitation expected during that time frame. High elevations, though, the peaks getting at least 12 to maybe 24 inches of snow or more, and that's why the National Weather Service has a number of advisories, watches, and warnings in place, and our ACMWF 1 week out, showing that storm system will be sliding into the high plains in the upper Mississippi Valley. Sure, there will be some snowfall, but not quite as much as what we had last time. And the reason why is because we have that surge of warmer air coming up underneath that storm system as it begins to lift off to the north. So on the onset of this precipitation could be in the form of rain, and seeing that rain as far north as the Twin Cities Friday night and early Saturday. But today, warmer today in St. Louis at 54, 32 in the Twin Cities, and for tomorrow, a little bit warmer.